Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Nothing Phone 3 arrives as a significant milestone in the evolution of a brand that has consistently sought to challenge the visual and functional status quo of the smartphone industry. This device is an unlocked 5G handset that comes equipped with a substantial 256 GB of internal storage and runs on the latest Android 15 operating system. At its core, the phone is designed to be a high-performance tool that does not sacrifice its unique aesthetic identity for the sake of utility. By integrating advanced artificial intelligence capabilities and a top-tier chipset, the device positions itself as a versatile option for modern users who require both speed and a distinct sense of style. The hardware is built to support the growing demands of mobile software, ensuring that the interface remains fluid and responsive under various workloads. This smartphone is not just a communication tool but a centralized hub for media consumption, high-resolution photography, and complex processing tasks. When examining the build and design of the Nothing Phone 3, it is impossible to ignore the signature glyph interface that has become a hallmark of the brand. This interface consists of a series of light strips embedded beneath the transparent rear glass, providing a functional way to interact with the device without constantly looking at the screen. The lights can indicate notification status, battery charging progress, or even act as a countdown timer, offering a layer of utility that is both innovative and visually striking. The smartphone is presented in a sleek black finish, which provides a sophisticated and professional look while allowing the internal components and the lighting elements to stand out. The use of an AMOLED display ensures that the front of the device is just as impressive as the back. This display technology is known for its ability to produce deep, true blacks and vibrant colors, which enhances everything from standard text to high-definition video. The physical dimensions and the weight distribution are balanced to ensure that the phone feels substantial and premium in the hand, reflecting a high standard of industrial design. By choosing materials that allow for transparency, the design reveals the intricate layout of the internal hardware, celebrating the engineering that goes into modern mobile technology. Performance is a primary pillar of this device, driven largely by the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset. This processor is manufactured using a 4nm process, which is currently at the cutting edge of semiconductor technology. The benefit of this small-scale architecture is twofold. It allows for a higher density of transistors, which translates to more processing power, and it significantly improves energy efficiency by reducing the distance that electrical signals must travel. With a full-core clock speed of 3.2 GHz, the CPU is capable of handling the most demanding mobile applications, from high-end gaming to complex video editing, with ease. Supporting this processor is a massive 24 GB of LPDDR5X memory. This amount of RAM is exceptional for a smartphone and ensures that the system can keep dozens of applications open in the background without needing to reload them, creating a seamless multitasking experience. The use of high-speed storage technology further reduces load times and improves the overall responsiveness of the operating system. The camera system on the Nothing Phone 3 is another area where performance is prioritized through high-resolution hardware. The device features 4 separate 50-megapixel cameras, a configuration that ensures consistency across different types of photography. Often, smartphones use a high-resolution main sensor paired with lower-resolution secondary lenses, but by using 50-megapixel sensors for all 4 cameras, this phone maintains a high level of detail whether you are taking a standard shot, an ultra-wide landscape, or a zoomed-in telephoto image. This uniformity is particularly important for those who want to ensure that their photos look professional regardless of the lens choice. The high pixel count allows for better digital cropping and more data for artificial intelligence processing to work with, resulting in clearer images with better dynamic range and more accurate color reproduction. This setup is designed to perform well in a variety of lighting conditions, making it a reliable tool for capturing daily life or professional content. Powering all of these high-end components is a 5150 mAh battery. In the context of modern smartphone usage, battery capacity is critical, especially when dealing with a high refresh rate AMOLED screen and a powerful 5G-enabled processor. The size of this battery suggests that the device is built to last through a full day of heavy use on a single charge. Because the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 is built on a 4nm process, it works in tandem with the battery to optimize power consumption, stretching the available energy as far as possible. When the battery does run low, the device supports fast charging capabilities to minimize downtime. Furthermore, the inclusion of Android 15 as the out-of-the-box operating system means the phone benefits from the latest software-side power management features and security updates. This version of Android is designed to be more efficient and more intuitive, providing a clean user interface that complements the minimalist yet complex design of the hardware itself. The Nothing Phone 3 is best suited for a specific segment of the market that values both technical prowess and design innovation. It is an excellent choice for tech enthusiasts who want to stay on the cutting edge of mobile hardware, particularly those who appreciate the unique glyph interface and the transparent design language. Power users who find themselves frustrated by the limitations of standard memory capacities will find the 24 GB of RAM to be a significant advantage for productivity and gaming. Additionally, mobile photographers and content creators who require high-resolution output across all their lenses will appreciate the quad 50-megapixel camera array. Because the phone is unlocked and supports 5G, it is also a strong option for frequent travelers or those who prefer to have the flexibility of choosing their own carrier without being tied to a specific contract or service provider. As a final thought, the Nothing Phone 3 represents a balanced blend of high-end specifications and a very specific aesthetic vision. It offers a level of performance that rivals the most powerful devices currently available, particularly with its advanced chipset and massive memory capacity. At the same time, it maintains its identity as a piece of functional art, using its lighting system and transparent build to offer an experience that is different from the traditional smartphone mold. At a price of approximately $639, it offers a competitive value proposition for those looking for a premium flagship experience that stands out from the crowd. While the bold design might not be for every single person, the technical foundations of the phone are solid, providing a reliable, fast, and highly capable platform for anyone who demands the best from their mobile technology. The combination of the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4, the extensive camera system, and the refined Android 15 software makes this a formidable contender in the current mobile landscape, offering a unique perspective on what a modern smartphone can be. It is a device that looks toward the future of mobile interaction while ensuring that the core needs of speed, battery life, and photographic quality are met with high standards. By focusing on these key areas, the device manages to be both a statement piece and a dependable workhorse for a wide range of mobile tasks and professional applications. In a market often filled with iterative updates, this smartphone provides a distinct alternative that prioritizes both form and function in equal measure. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.